Today is Friday, Jego's holiday, with Daddy eating French fries. Homemade yan, without salt. And hot dog from Nanay Henelyn. Nanay?
Babes.
Babes. What did you say to Nanay Babes?
Thank you.
Thank you.
For the
Hot dog.
And
Naman ang hotdog
aray ko. What's this? What's this, Jego? What's that?
Ano yan, kamay?
Pizza.
Pupanda na?
Homemade pizza.
Mami.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Mami.
And we also have pochero. Without soup.
salt.
Without salt. Without soup. Tinapon na ni Daddy yung soup. And Tita Fe is eating. Hi, Tita.
Hi. Digo. Hi.
Say hi. Say hi to Mommy. Good hands.
Hi.
Yeah.
And Pogi. See, Mommy is Pogi. Oh.
Okay.
Alright. Say to Mommy.
Where's the batsing-ting? Where's the batsing-ting? Pero.
This one. And this one.
Smile first. Yeah. Like the food? What are you eating? French fries.
Chicken naman.
Masarap naman pala pag walang asin. Oh, hindi nagreklamo si Jego eh.
Ayaw lang naman ang reklamo dahil alam natin.
Sige na. Bon appetit, Jego. Say it.
Say bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Hindi titi. Bon appetit.
Yes. Bye.